mean, it looks great. If you have OCD like I do and like you're just a neat freak, oh my god, this is gonna be so exciting. Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm still not focused. I don't know why. Sorry about that, but today's an exciting day because I'm starting this very short mini series, aka 2 episodes, on my channel about redoing my closet. Oh, by the way, I'm Melinda Brooke. For those of you who may not know, if you're new, thanks for stopping by. It's a good day you stop by because this is so exciting, at least for me. My OCD is like thriving. For those of you who watched my last room tour video, I'll link it up here in case you guys want to watch it. But in that video, if you watched it, you might remember me saying how I really liked my room the way it was and I wasn't planning on changing it for a really long time. The really long time period has officially passed. It's been about, I don't know, maybe 3 months max. And yeah, that period's passed because we are changing my room completely again. And we're starting with my closet. Now, it used to be my brother's closet and he's a boy who does not care if his clothes is organized the way I do. So I decided that I was going to design my own closet. What's great is that Ikea, which is where I'm getting everything for my closet, has these products it's called the pack system, and they use it everywhere in Europe, and you can design your own closet using this packs system. What's also great about it is that they have a pack system planner where you can go online, and you can design your whole closet with your dimensions and everything. So I kind of already did that step, but I'm gonna show you guys the design and then we're gonna head over to Ikea and have it, buy it, and then we're gonna come back and build it, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm so excited for this. I can't wait for you guys to see everything that I have. So looking at my closet, this is what it looks like. I, as you can see, have a pole here that I can hang all my shirts. This is a divider so that I can have one side with drawers, the other side I can hang like shorts or skirts. Then this is a jewelry drawer along with another pull-out drawer that I can stick sunglasses or scarves, anything like that in. I have a shelf up here which, that shelf is intended to be for my suitcase, but we don't know if I'm gonna fit everything in my closet. I think I am. I think I'm gonna have more space with this organization than I do now, so I'm pretty positive I'm gonna fit everything in my closet, but just in case I don't, I have that shelf there to stick extra stuff. But if I fit everything, no problems, then my suitcase is gonna go up there because that's why I put the shelf there in the first place. Moving on. Then I have this center console, which has only 6 shelves here, but I bought 7, and this is just gonna hold all my bags and my shoes. And then this final one has the 2 poles, which I'll hold dresses and long coats there, and then jeans I'll all go down here along with this extra shelf where I can put another 2 baskets filled with whatever I want. I mean, it looks great. If you have OCD like I do and like you're just a neat freak, oh my god, this is gonna be so exciting. I think once I do this, I'll be able to just like, it better feel like a store because I'm just so excited. So now it's time to go to the store and get it. Hey guys, okay, so today is the day I finally get to go to Ikea and see if they have any of the pieces that I've been looking for. We're gonna go look and see if they have any of those pieces on sale because sale is good. Saves me money. So we went to Starbucks and they had matcha and I really wanted to try it because the only time I tried matcha was when me and my cousin did the whole trying a bunch of different holiday Starbucks drinks, and we included a matcha because we really wanted to try it. I'll link it up here for you guys. But now they have a pumpkin matcha.
No, it's pineapple.
Oh, no, not pumpkin. It's on October. Pineapple matcha. So, my mom tried it. She said she liked it. I'm kind of scared. Oh, that's so good. Oh my God, that's so good. Guys, another trick that everyone knows about. If you get an iced coffee, get a tall iced coffee, whatever one you want, no ice, and then ask for a venti cup, just with ice. You got yourself a venti coffee. Guys, I got my stuff, and it doesn't even seem like a lot. I know I'm missing a few things, but I thought it was gonna be a lot more. I also am missing 7 shelves, so let's wait till we get home and see. But here comes the fun part of trying to fit it all in my car. Guys, I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, sweating. So, I didn't have to be the muscle because I made some friends and they were the muscle for us, which is great. Shoot, I didn't get their names, but I know they might have subscribed. So, hi guys. Thank you for all your help. But yeah, you know, we're gonna transform the whole thing today. So I made it home. I changed into my comfy clothes because we're gonna get to moving and grooving. And you guys already saw my before closet. You'll see it a bunch of times. I'm gonna try to put it in a couple times so that you guys can see it and like not forget. But we have a lot to do. We have to move my desk. We have to move all of my closet stuff out of my closet onto like that side of my room so that we have room to build. I also want to paint the wall, the one wall, because I'm planning on removing my doors. So we have a lot to do.
They have like navy, but like
Tired. It's safe to say I need to go through all my crap and donate some stuff. I do have a big bin of stuff that I'm either gonna sell on Poshmark and or donate, but I need to clearly add some stuff to that. So, and I also have to remove all of those things and this door. So, it's been like 3 hours. I did take a little break, you know. By little I mean like 2.5 hours. So, but you know what, we're working. And I still want to paint the door. I mean the wall. Maybe, we'll see, I don't know. So I'm here relaxing because I did all the hard work, the
hard labor.
The hard labor. And my mom now is doing the other hard labor of painting.
Does it feel light?
Yes.
You could at least wait.
Guys, it is literally 11:40 and we haven't even put the closet in yet because we painted. Guys, we got all the pieces out in the closet. Now it's time for assembly. Oh my God. Well, we have an L. L is for love. No, it's not.
It's a good thing I'm not claustrophobic.
You're about to trap me in a box and I'm claustrophobic. This is not gonna be good. Take your time. All the time in the world up here. Guys, we have to really focus. So, you'll come back. But look, I got the first one in. It's massive.
Melinda, I need someone to push.
Guys, I had to take a coffee break. Don't worry. I made my mama a coffee too. I just did my skincare routine, If you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it up here for you guys. But oh my goodness, we still have so much to do. And it is a solid, I don't have my watch on anymore. What time is it?
It's 3.
It's 3 in the morning?
Yeah.
When the hell did it turn 3? I thought it was 1. So, my dad came to help us. Well, he woke up because this is the time he normally wakes up. And he's helping us out, which is great because he's a MacGyver and knows how to fix literally anything and everything with whatever he has around him. So this is awesome because I needed it. Anyway, this is what we have so far. AKA not much, just the units. Oh my goodness. If this thing falls one more freaking time. Here you go, Bob the Builder.
He's not gonna get out.
Ah, não.
Pi, this is going on YouTube.
He's not gonna be able to get out.
Oh, filha da puta.
Yeah, tá chovendo.
Mas ele vai ir.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. We did it. We did it. Thanks, bye.
Vai lá ver se ainda sai.
Happy Father's Day. Guys, my mom seems to think I'm not fitting all my clothes in this closet.
There's no way.
There's 100% way it's gonna fit.
I can't wait to see it.
Mom, it's gonna fit.
You have so much shit.
No, I don't. It fit in that little closet that was so unorganized. Why wouldn't it fit in this?
Oh my god. Because it's just not gonna fit.
It is gonna fit. It just looks like a lot.
Okay, start putting. I'm telling you, it's not gonna fit. You don't have enough poles to fit all this stuff.
Mom, I have
Can you see me? Because I'm buried under all these clothes.
that pole and this pole over here equals the pole, equals this size pole.
Oh my god, you're so in denial.
No, I'm not. You're just not seeing the bigger picture.
What, you only have
I had this pole at the top, which is that 30 plus the 30 plus the 40, okay?
I don't
Holding
know.
most of my stuff. And then I had
another pole at the
a
bottom.
very little pole only holding my skirts and my pants, which look, I have one for my skirts and I have one for my pants. You're in denial.
Okay.
You know what? If I fit everything in this closet, you pay me half of the closet.
Okay.
Really? Shake on that. You guys saw this.
Oh my god, she's killing me here already.
I have that. I can take you to court. Oh, Mom.
I'll just sit here and watch you organize.
You're gonna fall asleep.
We need to put the shelves. I could be productive putting shelves.
Yeah, but I don't know where I want them yet.
And then you sit there and you color coordinate.
Yes, I have OCD. What? This?
That blue mixed in with the black, that don't fit there.
I know, but it's like tank top bodysuits, and then it's short sleeves, and then it's long sleeves.
Oh my goodness.
It's color coordinated by sleeve length and body length, like short length. Is that a lot? Are you tired?
No, I'm looking for my phone. It's underneath these clothes somewhere.
Here, I'll get it for you. Hold on.
No, it's all right. I'm sure it's
Oh
there.
no. Oh no.
Look, I found it.
Oh no.
See? That's 200 pounds right there.
Ow, I have a cramp. You're making me laugh. You're a funny girl.
Oh my god.
I feel like I work in a clothing store and I'm putting the new stuff away.
Oh my god, there's drawers here. Where are you putting these baskets full of clothes?
Mom, you do understand I have drawers now.
Where?
Where are my drawers?
Oh my
Where
god.
are my drawers?
Those little things will not fit the stuff.
They're massive.
You're supposed to put that stuff in there.
All that stuff fits in one drawer.
There's something wrong with you.
I don't get how you don't see it. You have such a good vision for things.
You have six baskets.
Oh,
Will not fit in those little
my
drawers.
goodness. Mom, calm down.
Oh my goodness.
One of it, first off.
I'm gonna break a leg.
Are you trying to sleep? Like, what are you trying to do?
No, I'm here to help you, but I'm
Yeah,
gonna try
help.
I'm gonna charge my phone since I'm here.
You know what? We've all worked hard and it's time for some breakfast. Pie. Happy Father's Day. Look at that. I made a heart.
Yeah, deve ser de cavalo.
It's a good heart.
A horse's heart.
I'm working on it. Look at my plate.
Aqui todo nu.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Told no, you have no shirt on. It's like you're at the beach.
yeah.
It's going on YouTube. Is that fine?
Não.
I'm putting it on. Sue me.
No Father's Day, o pai faz o breakfast.
And Melinda made you coffee. Your daughter made you coffee.
Yeah.
What did your son do?
Yeah,
Slept.
my son did good.
He
came
slept.
from the beach for the Father's Day.
All he has to do is come from the beach. That's it. Golden child, all he has to do is come from the beach. I make you coffee. I give you a gift to go to the feta. I'm buying you dinner. No, but your son, guess what? He came all the way from the beach.
Yeah.
To everyone who thinks I'm the favorite, clearly you're wrong. They have my sweatshirts in them. Oi! Oh no. Oh no. Taking a tumble.
Maybe you should hang them.
I got it.
Cut tudo.
Yeah, everything. Mommy shook. Clearly I'm not done, so how do I know?
Oh, ainda falta tudo.
See?
Depois quero tudo no sítio. Drill, tudo lá na garagem.
Oh, that.
Oh yeah, Pai, you know what? That's funny you said that because you went into the garage, right? You were working on your thing. Nothing's in its situ.
Não, mas aquilo,
You
tem que
messed
estar.
up the shelf that we
That was
fixed.
great. And you had all your tools everywhere. Tu não puseste nada no sítio.
E é porque eu tenho aquilo para não me faltar a memória. Tenho tudo ali que já sei onde é que vai tudo.
Olha, e pra minha memória vai ficar aqui tudo.
Vai.
Guys, I'm literally using the sunlight to film this right now. Like, I haven't gone to bed. It is 9:30 in the morning. I don't know what it is. I just need to get this done. Everything's been going really good though, and I'll give you guys a quick little sneak peek. So as you can tell, I've done a lot, and I've put away almost everything. Here's a sneak peek. Okay, that was your sneak peek. Guys, I'm done. Whoa. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. But you guys are just gonna have to wait because my closet reveal is coming to you next week in part 2 of this closet series. So I'm so sorry to do that to you guys, but make sure if you want to see that, you're hitting that subscribe button, turning your bell notifications on, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot, we came from nothing to something, nigga, I don't trust nobody, good to trigger.